Airgunners, raise your hand if you've ever reached for a can of Balistol and thought, man, this stuff is awesome, but it's gone in like no time. Today we're settling the debate once and for all. Aerosol versus liquid. Which one actually gives you the most Balistol for your money? Spoiler alert, the difference is brutal. Let's break it down. Same smell, same performance, only one of them is half propellant. You see, in the US, when an aerosol says 6 ounces, that's the total weight of everything that exits the can. The real Ballistol, plus propane butane propellant, plus a little solvent to make it spray better. Ballistol's own safety data sheet says 52% of that weight is the actual active product. So your 6-ounce spray can only contains around 3 ounces of the real stuff you actually paid for. You're paying 2 to 2.5 times more per ounce when you buy the spray can. That $13 aerosol is basically $13 for 3 ounces of product and 3 ounces of pretty expensive fog. Now, sometimes the aerosol is actually worth the premium. When you've got field work, you're out pesting or plinking all day, and you just want to keep a can in the backpack, that's a good choice. If you're lubing a Springer breech seal or getting oil into a tight side lever pivot without disassembling everything, that's an acceptable application for the aerosol. Maybe it's just a quick wipe down of the exterior after a rainy range session. Only a simple rag or towel is needed. But when you're at the bench doing a full spring tune, cleaning barrels, protecting the stock, degreasing a trigger group, or conditioning leather slings, the liquid wins every single time. Here's the pro tip. Buy the 16-ounce, then decant into these. You now have aerosol-like mist and needle-tip precision for pennies per refill. I've been running the same pump sprayer for 3 years. 0 cans in the trash. Let's assume you do 4 full teardowns and cleanings a year, plus routine wipe downs after every range trip. Most of us will burn through roughly 3 6-ounce aerosol cans doing that. Call it $40 a year. Now with liquid, one 16-ounce bottle lasts me almost 2 full years, about $15 to $16 per year. That's $25 back in your pocket every single year, forever. No propellant waste or cans in the landfill. You won't lose pressure in the winter. Easier to mix your own 50-50 Ballistol water emulsion for wood socks or black powder cleanup. You'll never shake a can and hear that sad death rattle halfway through a cleaning session. Now for me, I still keep one 6-ounce can in the truck and a 1.5-ounce pocket can in the range bag for emergencies. But 95% of the Ballistol that touches my guns comes out of this 16-ounce bottle or my refillable sprayer. If you shoot air guns more than a few times a month, buy the liquid. You'll save a ridiculous amount of money. You'll have infinite control of where it goes and never run out mid-project again. Save the aerosol cans for the glove box or the one day a year you actually need them. Now that being said, if you spend much time shooting outdoors, having a few of these in your pocket or bag does make really good sense. They take up next to no room and can deploy in seconds and wipe down a wet gun from a stormy field target match or rained out range session. Hey, do me a favor, drop a comment. Are you team liquid, team aerosol, or like most of us, both? Hit like if this just saved you $20 a year and subscribe for more no BS airgun money saving videos. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have an awesome week.